Chapter 1. Genealogical structure, the kinship system. B. Defines Affinal relationship in the wider context. It is worthy of special mention that, as in the case of diagnets, the affinal relationships embrace a wider cycle than only those directly concerned. This is shown in the following diagram. The terms marbere tu etc. here also mean to regard as bere. The brother of C1 takes his wife from a lineage other than that of the S or Bs, he is related to S and Bs only in an indirect way. He is regarded as the Boru. Thus, born to Boru and their male descendants are called the Boruni Boru or the Boru Ibebere of the A's and the B's. There is not, strictly speaking, an affinal relationship. Accurate determination of the kinship between the two individuals is understandably only necessary in the intercourse between those of a comparatively small circle who are in frequent association with each other. As soon as the relation is further removed, and if mutual intercourse is like, no one unravels its precise details if there is no immediate need to do so. Then, the difference in age in the determining factor males from different marga call each other lai, or in the case of an older woman of the marga boru, she is called the namboru, and so forth.